comrade wakienda leo waenda wakadishi kitu saa hizi idhaa.
Asante sana. Comrades by the name Honorable Paul Okomba Yema, MCA wa Boikanga from South Mogirango. I'm MCA to Silvano Sosoro Techiwi. Me, I don't have much to say. What I can conclude, these are very good program. Secretary, bring them again and encourage the youth to attend. When you ask them to give gifts for getting loans, it is very difficult for them to get that type of gift. Just let them produce their ID and give them the loan so that they grow up. These are the good leadership who will